Good morning, children. How are you all? My dear children, today we are going to read O sound words. Today we will revise O sound words. You all will listen carefully and repeat after me. Before start the reading, we will recite a rhyme. Are you ready to recite the rhyme? Yes, let's start it. All of me. My hands are for clapping. My hands are for clapping. My arms can hug tight. My hands are for clapping. My arms can hug tight. My fingers can snap. My fingers can snap. Or can turn out the light. Or can turn out the light. My hands are for clapping. My hands are for clapping. My arms can hug tight. My arms can hug tight. My legs are for jumping. My legs are for jumping. My eyes help me see. My eyes help me see. This is my body and I love all of me. This is my body and I love all of me. My hands are for clapping. My hands are for clapping. My arms can hug tight. My arms can hug tight. My legs are for jumping. My legs are for jumping. My eyes help me see. This is my body. This is my body. Dear children, the sound of letter O is O. O says O, O, O. Let's read the words of vowel sound O. O, B, ob. B, ob, bob. K, ob, cob. R, ob, rob. S, ob, sob. Bob, cob, rob. Sob, order, odd. Order, cod. Order, nod. Order, pod. Order, rod. Cod, nod. Pod, rod. Now auger, og. Auger, dog. Auger, hog. Auger, log. Dog, hog, log. Now opper, op. Opper, cop. Opper, hop. Opper, mop. Opper, pop. Opper, top. Cop, hop. Mop, pop, top. These all are O sound words. All are O sound words. We are having some more O sound words like, repeat after me, like bob. Cob, cob. Ob, lob. Ob, mob. Ob, bob. Ob, cob. Ob, lob. mob, mob, rob, rob, sob, sob, cod, cod, nod, nod, odd, 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 pod, pod, rod, rod, sod, sod, bog, bog, cog, cog, dog, dog, fog, hog, hog, jog, jog, log, log, mom, mom, pom, bop, cop, hop, lop, mop, pop, pop, top, cot, dot, got, hot, jot, lot, not, pot, rot, dock, lock, sock, dock, lock, rock, sock, boss, 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 loss, 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 moss, 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 toss, frog, frog, blog, blog, slob, ob, slob, boss, loss, moss, toss, frog, blog, slop. So dear children, today we read O sound words. O sound words. O says O. O says O. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Goodbye children. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye. Don't go out for play. Okay? Bye-bye.